So when most people think about the plumbing in their home, of course you'll think about plumbing fixtures, you'll think about the pipes behind your wall, but before that, on a home like this, there is a stage called the groundwork plumbing. You know, all this drainage comes down through the walls, routes into all of your drain pipe. It ends up underneath the floor in the basement before exiting the home and heading out to the septic system. So at this stage, before we have that basement floor poured, we have to precisely set all of those drain lines, showers, stub-ups for sinks, and toilets exactly where we need them so that when we frame the walls, those toilets are centered in the rooms we want them in, the showers work perfectly with the layout of the home, and everything is dialed when we put all those finishes in place.